Welcome back everyone. My name is Toby, and today we'll be talking about bubble sort. This will be a rather short video just because there isn't too much that is involved in the process. Bubble sort is a sorting algorithm with a time complexity or big O notation of n squared. It is not the most efficient algorithm out there for sorting, but it does get the job done. It's normally used on arrays, but the same technique can be applied to linked lists also. Say you have the numbers 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 in that order. Here are the steps to implementing the algorithm. Step 1, you iterate through the list of numbers or letters and compare the current number or letter to the next neighbor. While you iterate through the list, check if the current number/letter is larger than the next. If that's the case, you swap the positions of the numbers/letters. In the list above, we had the numbers 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. If we follow these steps, we're gonna go through the list, and as we go through the list, we're gonna compare the current number to the next number, and we need to check if the current number is bigger than the next. We're gonna have to check if 5 is bigger than 4. Since that's true, we're gonna have to switch the two numbers. We're gonna switch 4 and 5, and now we're gonna have 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. And now we're gonna have to compare the next number in the list, which is the second number, and the third number. We already compared the first number, now we're gonna move on to the next number, which is the second and the third. And we're gonna see that 5 is the next number, and we're gonna compare it to its neighbor, which is number 3. And we see that 5 is indeed bigger than the next neighbor. We switch them up, and after we do so, we now have 4, 3, 5, 2, and 1. And after comparing 5 and 3, we need to compare the third number and the fourth number, which is 5 and 2. And 5 is bigger than 2, we switch them up, and we move on to the next number in the list, which is the fourth number. And after we switch the numbers 5 and 2, the list is gonna be 4, 3, 2, 5, and 1. And we're gonna have to compare the next number in the list, which is 5 and 1. And we see that 5 is bigger than the next number. We switch them up, and now we're gonna have 4, 3, 2, 1, and 5. As you can see, after the first iteration, the first loop, the biggest number in the list, it's gonna be sorted. And if you are doing this the other way around, starting from the end, going to the front, then 1 is gonna be sorted. That's how the algorithm works. It just depends on how you structure. The little number or the big number is gonna be sorted first. Let's see this in action.